Hi, my name is Ajinkya. I'm not a celebrity. I'm not a motivational speaker. I'm just someone who has in, spent a lot of years inside a real world, working with people, managing pressure, handling expectations, and watching how leadership decisions quietly shapes career and confidence. I've been working in the past organizations from last 9 to 10 years, and I've gained a lot of experience, and I've gained multiple certifications around the leadership as well. So this channel is not about shouting leadership quotes. It's about understanding what leadership actually looks like on a normal Monday at work. Early in my career, I had managers who were extremely smart but emotionally absent. They delivered results, but people around them slowly lost confidence, energy, and motivation as well. I realized that leadership is just not about positions, it's about how you make people feel after the conversation ends. Now, the main reason is why I started this channel is about talking about leadership. So leadership is talked about a lot, but practice very little. We promote people into managerial roles and expect them to magically know how to lead humans. Well, no one teaches that. This channel is just my small attempt to change that slowly and honestly, we're gonna end up in a very, very different world altogether. So, what the channel is about? This channel is about leadership lessons from real work situations, mistakes managers make without even realizing it, how to lead with fear without fear, ego, or control, how to become someone people want to work with, not just work for. It's really very important to make sure that how the other individual is comfortable while speaking with you. He shouldn't feel insecure while sharing his problems with you because it's really very important. At the end of the day, it's going to impact the performance as well. And you, as a manager, cannot expect to have that kind of situation or to have that kind of difficult conversation with your associates. It's really very important to make sure you take a leverage to sit with that individual, have a discussion about how things are going in their life. How is there anything particularly bothering them, or is this something which really needs to be work upon? See, honestly, guys, I'm not gonna promise motivation here. I'm just gonna deliver my perspective around leadership. Even if one single video here helps you become a better leader or a human, this channel has done its job.